Hi, welcome to Future Technos. Today, we're going to learn how to get amazing shots with the DJI Neo in just 10 minutes. From simple shots of yourself to fast-paced FPV drone footage, we'll cover everything you need to know. Let's jump right in. The DJI Neo comes with 6 quick shot modes you can use without any controller or smartphone. To start, power on the drone by pressing the power button once, then holding it down, just like other DJI drones. Once it's on, press the quick shot button briefly to switch between the 6 different modes. When you're ready to record, place the drone on your palm with the camera facing you. Hold the quick shot button, and the drone will start filming. The AI subject detection will lock onto you and keep you in the center of the frame. These 6 quick shot modes include follow, spotlight, and creative shots like drone, circle, and rocket. Each one can be fine-tuned using the DJI Fly app. If you haven't connected the app yet, make sure to link it to your drone. If pairing fails, just hold the power button to activate pairing mode. In the settings, you can adjust each mode. For example, in follow mode, you can change the height and distance. The default works fine, but lowering the follow height can make the shot feel more dynamic, while a higher angle gives a smooth, cinematic look. Circle mode is one of my personal favorites. It keeps you in the center as the drone moves in a perfect loop around you. This is great for showing both yourself and the scenery, especially in places like mountains, beaches, or anywhere with an impressive view. Another great mode is drone. It starts close to you, then slowly pulls back to reveal the surrounding area. Depending on where you position the drone, this can show either the view in front of you or behind you. If you want even more control, use the DJI Fly app to steer the drone directly. It's very easy to pick up, and within minutes you'll be comfortable flying. There's also a clever vlogging option. Activate the microphone icon in the app, and it will record audio from your phone while the drone films. Pairing it with the DJI Mic 2 will give you even better sound quality. You can even control the Neo with your voice, but for more traditional control, the DJI RC works perfectly. This is especially useful for landscape filming where precise movement is important. For a completely different experience, you can use the DJI RC Motion 3 or the DJI FPV Remote Controller 3. These let you fly the Neo like a real FPV drone, even in manual mode. Just pair your goggles, remote, and drone by powering them on in sequence. Once connected, you can see the live video feed inside your goggles. With the RC Motion 3, double press and hold the start button to launch. Tilt and rotate your hand to move the drone, and use your index finger to control speed or fly backward. You'll get used to it in no time. The Easy Acro mode from the Avida 2 is also available here. Push down the goggles joystick, enable Easy Acro, and you can do flips and rolls with just a quick movement. If you're using the FPV Remote Controller 3, you can unlock full manual mode by changing the custom button and removing safety limits in the settings. But be careful, if you're new to FPV flying, practice in the DJI simulator first. You can always stick to normal or sport mode until you're ready. Because of its compact size, the Neo is perfect for flying through tight spaces, even indoors. The camera settings are straightforward too. In quick shot mode, everything is automatic. For social media, record in 4:3 so you can crop for vertical platforms like Instagram or TikTok later. I also prefer H.265 over H.264, it keeps quality high but reduces file size. In FPV mode, stabilization is turned off so the drone can save gyro data. Later, you can use GyroFlow on your computer to stabilize the footage perfectly. Transferring files is easy too. Send them directly to your phone using the DJI Fly app or connect the drone to your computer. Charging is simple with a USB-C cable, and if you have the Fly More combo, the charging case can power up 3 batteries at once. For color grading, you can add LUT packs to give your videos a unique style. If you like the look of the clips here, check the description for links. Finally, my biggest tip, don't rush into FPV flying. The Neo is designed to grow with you. If you're new, start with the smartphone or basic controller. Once you're comfortable, move up to the RC Motion 3 and goggles. And when you've trained in the simulator, you can try full manual FPV mode. For beginners, this drone is a perfect starting point. For pros, it's still a surprisingly capable tool. The automatic tracking and follow features alone are impressive. And considering the price, the Neo delivers a lot of value. If you enjoyed this guide, leave a like, and if you want to see more, make sure to follow. Thanks for watching.